Boromora, we have a beautiful hill we call Boromora. Now we call Hathai Kotor. It's a very beautiful place, and we have an eco park in Boromora, and also have a lot of hornbilled bird available in Boromora. Therefore, our government, tourism department, forest department are going to organize a big festival in Hathai Kotor Boromora in the coming days, most probably in January 8 and 9. Therefore, we have already arranged, there is a beautiful cottage for the tourist point, and also there is a eco park, and there is also a coffee center. Lot of accommodation we are going to provide, and we're going to organize a big festival in Boromora and Hathai Kotor, so that I invite all the people from inside the country, outside the country, to visit our Boromora, Hathai Kotor. And it is in Northeast, it is very peculiar. We know that hornbill bird is available in the Boromora, Hathai Kotor. Therefore, we can witness the hornbill in the present. Therefore, I think hopefully this is a beginning by our government. It's a new beginning that we're going to organize every year. This hornbill festival. Therefore, I invite all the people to come and witness the hornbill in Boromora.